Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry spinach with vegan seafood tofu. Hope you like it. Ingredients: spinach, vegan seafood tofu. This seafood tofu tastes similar to real seafood tofu. Personally, I think the meatless one is more delicious. Wash spinach, then remove stem and cut into section. Cut vegan seafood tofu into small pieces. Spinach needs to be blanched first. Generally speaking, leafy vegetables such as spinach and purslane only need to be blanched for 15 to 20 seconds after the water boils. The color of the leaves will become darker and they can be picked up. Stir-fry vegan seafood tofu until fragrant. Add spinach. Add a teaspoon salt to taste. Optional to sprinkle chicken powder or vegan mushroom powder. Add a tablespoon water from side of wok. Plate spinach. Arrange vegan seafood tofu on spinach. Easy and delicious vegetarian dish is ready to be served. If you don't tell people that this dish is vegetarian, it tastes the same as seafood tofu. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Vegetarian seafood tofu is made from traditional soft tofu, which has a soft and juicy taste and springy texture. We perfectly combine the umami taste of seafood with the healthy ingredients of soy, making it the best choice to pair with any delicious meal. Spinach is Popeye the Sailor's favorite food, and it gives people the impression that eating it can make people strong and healthy. Indeed, spinach is rich in nutrients, but it is not all good. Its unique oxalic acid ingredient not only tastes bitter, which makes children dislike it, but excessive oxalic acid can also hinder the body's absorption of calcium and iron. Therefore, spinach must be specially processed when cooking so that it can be eaten safely and healthily. Spinach loses water easily, and vegetable vendors may sprinkle a lot of water on the leaves to maintain their appearance. It is recommended to choose dry spinach, which can avoid buying spinach that has been stored for too long and will not affect the taste. Then you can check whether the leaves are fresh dark green in color, with no signs of blackening, yellowing, rotting, or water damage. Many people have eaten spinach, but you may not have seen what spinach actually looks like. The roots of spinach are a beautiful purple-red color and can be recognized at a glance among vegetable vendors. When choosing, you can first check the roots. If they are purple-red, it means they are fresh. If they have turned black, they may have been stored for too long and should not be purchased. If you like a crispy texture, you can choose those with thicker stems. If you want to eat tender spinach, it is recommended to choose those with thinner stems. 10. Mud and sand easily accumulate at the roots of spinach, so they need to be rinsed with plenty of clean water. The stems and leaves should also be rinsed, and then the whole thing should be soaked in clean water for about 10 minutes to allow the pesticide to dissolve, then rinse it and it is ready to cook. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.